Hello, Htmlcoin community. I'm here to talk about the voting process for Htmlcoin in the BitZ exchange. As you can see on the Htmlcoin official website, the coin will be undergoing a voting process that will start on May 28th. So first of all, just to give you some context about the BitZ exchange. Here you can see a ranking of global exchanges per daily revenue. You can see that BitZ is among the top 10 biggest exchanges in the world, and it's bigger than other known exchanges like HitBTC, Kraken, and Poloniex. And if we analyze proportionally, BitZ is even bigger than Bittrex because it has less trading pairs, so the proportional volume per trading pair is higher. Needless to say, if we manage to have Htmlcoin in such a big volume exchange, the coin will have all the meanings to gain traction. Okay, so how does the voting process work? BitZ has a voting system where you need to acquire the token called VTC and use it to vote for a coin. Our objective here is to have 2 million VTC in Htmlcoin within a period of 1 week that will start on May 28th. The limits of VTC to vote is a minimum of 50 and a maximum of 1,000. Something really important to mention, in case we reach our goal of 2 million VTC for Htmlcoin, everyone who voted will receive an Htmlcoin bounty in a value even higher than the original amount spent with VTC. In case the goal is not reached, BitZ will refund the VTC of everyone who voted. That means there shouldn't be any fear in voting because there is no loss scenario here. Okay, so now how to vote. To be able to vote, firstly you need to create an account on BitZ. The address is bit-z.com. Once you have the account activated, you need to have the VTC token so you can use them to vote for Htmlcoin. There are different ways to acquire VTC tokens. The first way is through ETH and BTC pairs. I've transferred some ETH to my BitZ account, so now I'll trade them. First, we need to buy an intermediate token called DKKT. Once we have the DKKT tokens, we use the pair DKKT-VTC to acquire VTC tokens. In case you don't own cryptocurrencies or just don't want to spend your current cryptocurrencies, you can use fiat currency to buy DKKT. Here you have a way to buy DKKT from vendors, and you can see their statistics here and decide from whom to buy. Once you have DKKT, you can purchase VTC through the trading pair DKKT-VTC. Okay, so now we've got our VTC. What should we do? Here we can see all coins that are going through the voting process. You can see that some of them are on in preparation status. Htmlcoin will be in this status when we are a few days from the voting start. In this stage, we still can't vote. When Htmlcoin voting starts on the 28th of May, we'll just need to click the Details button and use your VTC to vote. And that's it. I want to reinforce that if we meet this goal and have Htmlcoin listed in such a huge exchange, we will increase dramatically the exposure of Htmlcoin. That would be excellent news for all holders. If you have any questions about the voting process, please reach the Htmlcoin team through its social networks. You can also send your question in the comments of this video and we will help you. Thank you and see you.